Good morning. This is Bhavani working as PSCRT in Ellanpeta KGBV, Srikakulam district. Today our class is fractions, decimals and rational numbers. In previous class you learned what is fraction, addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions. Today our class multiplication of fractions. Let us see multiplication of fractions. How to multiply the fraction? First, for example, multiplication is a repeated addition. For example, multiplication is repeated addition. For example, take one example. 5 fours are, that means 4 is 5 times 4 is added. That means 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is equal 20. That means multiplication is a repeated addition. For example, you take another example. 2 multiplied with 1 by 4. That means 1 by 4 is added into 2 times. That means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to, you already learn or you already know the addition of like fractions. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 plus 1, adding the numerators and add the denominators, keeping the same. Therefore, this is 2 by 4. You get the fraction is 2 by 4. This fraction 2 multiplied with 1 by 4, it is represented. How to represent it? The picture. Let us see. Take one square. This is divided into 4 equal parts. One part represented as 1 by 4. Next, take another 1 by 4 part in a square. This is also 1 by 4 part. This gives this indicates 2 by 4 part of total square. Okay, take another example. For example, let us say 2 multiplied 1 by 4. That means 1 by 4 is added into 2 times. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That is equal. You know already how to add the like fractions. You already know 1 plus 1 by 4. That is equal 2 by 4. How to represent this fraction into picture? Take a one square. This is divided into 4 equal parts. One part indicated as 1/4 part. This is also another part of 1/4 part of a square. These two 1/4 parts of is equal to 2 by 4 part of square. Okay. Take another example. Multiplied with 1 by 2. That is equal 1 by 2 is added into 3 times. That means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is 1 plus numerators are added. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Denominator keeping the same. Therefore 3 by 2. Next one. Take another example. 2 multiplied with 5 by 3. That is equal 5 by 3 added into 2 times. That means 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3. That is equal 5 plus 5 by 3. That is equal 10 by 3. How to represent this fraction into picture? one whole part divided into 3 parts. 5 by 3 means these two are 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3. This is also 5 by 3. That is equal 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3. That is equal 10 by 3. This is 10 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 parts. 1 part divided into 3. That's why the total picture is represented as a fraction 10 by 3. Okay, we conclude that these pictures are these examples. 2 multiplied with 5 by 3, that is equal 10 by 3. That means 2 multiplied with 5 by 3. Next one, 2 multiplied with 1 by 4. That is equal 2 into, that means 2 into 1 by 4. That is equal 2 by 4. That means the multiplication of whole number with fraction, proper or improper fraction. The whole number multiplied with the proper or improper fraction, you get the multiplication is first you multiplied the whole number with numerator, but the denominator is keeping the same. The multiplication of whole number with the proper or improper fraction, how to multiply? The whole number multiplied with the numerator of the fraction and the denominator is keeping the same. Okay, next one. Multiplication of fraction by a whole number. For example, 2 multiplied by the 1 by 5. Multiplication of fraction by a whole number. ఒక whole number ని fraction తో multiply చేసేటప్పుడు వాటి ఎలా చేయాలి? We conclude that above examples, multiplication of whole number with a proper or improper. మన whole number ని proper గాని improper fraction తో multiply చేసేటప్పుడు you can multiply whole number we can multiply whole number and the numerator of the fraction and denominator is keeping the same. That means 2 multiplied 1 by denominator is keeping the same. Therefore 2 ones are 2, 5 is same. Okay. Multiplication of fraction by a whole number. We can multiply whole number with the numerator of the fraction and denominator is keeping the same. A whole number ni proper or improper fraction తో multiply చేసేటప్పుడు ముందు దాని న్యూమరేటర్ ని whole number తో multiply చేసి denominators ని keeping the same అలానే ఉంచాలి. అలా ఉంచితే multiplication అనేది జరుగుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ example. In this lesson, half is represented as multiplication. That means 1 by 4 of 2. That means 1 by 4 multiplied with 2. As usual, 5 by 2 multiplied with 7. That means 5 by 2 of 7. That is equal 5 by 2 multiplied with 7. Okay. In this lesson, of represents multiplication. Of represents multiplication. Let us do exercise 2 problems. Let us do exercise 2 problem. First one, multiply the following. Write the answers as a mixed fractions. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగిందమ్మా. వన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ మల్టిప్లైడ్ విత్ హోల్ నెంబర్. హోల్ నెంబర్ ని ఫ్రాక్షన్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేసిన, ఫ్రాక్షన్ ని హోల్ నెంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేసిన, మనం ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం, న్యూమరేటర్స్ ని హోల్ నెంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి ద డినామినేటర్ ఈస్ కీప్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్. ఓకే, అదే విధంగా ఇక్కడ మనం చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. లెట్ us do 3 multiplied 10 by 6, that is equal 30 by 6. You can cancel 6 5s are, that is equal 1. Next one, 1 by 3 multiplies 4. That means 1 4s are 4 by 3. That is equal 4 by 3. This is a denominator is greater than the numerator. Numerator is greater than denominator. That's why this is converted into the mixed fraction. One is remainder 1 and 1 by 3. How to represent this fraction into mixed fraction? 1 and 1 by 3. Next one, 6 by 7 multiplies 2. 6 multiplied 2 by 7. 6 2s are 12 by 7. This is also improper fraction. 12 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7. 5 is remainder. That's why how to write the mixed fraction. This fraction, how to write 1 and 5 by 7. Okay. In this problem, shaded 1 by 2 part of the circle in box. ఈ బాక్స్ లో 1 by 2 part of circle ఎంత, దాన్ని మనం కొనుక్కొని దాన్ని ఫైండ్ చేసి దాన్ని షేడ్ చేయవలసి ఉంటుందమ్మా. 2 by 3 పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఇన్ ఏ బాక్స్. ఈ బాక్స్ లో 2/3 పార్ట్ ఎంత అయితే దాన్ని ఆ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ని షేడ్ చేయాలి. 3 by 5 పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద రెక్టాంగిల్ ఇన్ బాక్స్. ఈ రెక్టాంగులర్ బాక్సెస్ లో 3 by 5 పార్ట్ ని మనం షేడ్ చేయవలసి ఉంటుంది. చూద్దాం. ఇన్ దిస్ లెసన్, ఇన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ రిప్రజెంట్స్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. దట్ మీన్స్ 1 by 2 multiplies of the circles in a box. Any boxes are in circle? How many circles are there in your box? How many circles are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 3s are 12. Multiplication of fraction with whole number. 1 multiplies 12 by 2. 2 we can cancel, 2 6. Therefore 6 balls is shaded. You can shade the balls in 6. Okay. Next one, 2 by 3 part of the triangles in box. 2 by 3 part of triangle. How many triangles are there? 1 2 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 triangles are there. That's why of represents multiplication. That's why 2 by 3 multiplied by 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9. You can cancel 9. 2 3s are 6. How many triangles shaded? 6 triangles will be shaded. Okay, next one. 3 by 5 of 3 by 5 of rectangles in box. ఈ బాక్స్ లో ఉన్న రెక్టాంగిల్స్ లో 3 by 5 పార్ట్ అంటే టోటల్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ అన్ని లైన్ 5 ఇటు 3 5 3s are 15. Therefore half means multiplication. 3 5 multiplied with 15. We can cancel 5 3s are 3 3s are 9. That means 3 lines you can shade. Okay, repeat it for 1 second. Okay, 1 by 2 part of circles in a box. In circle, in box, how many circles are there? 12. 1 by 2 part of, that means 1 by 2 multiplies 12. Half means half represents multiplication. 1 by 2 multiply 12. You can cancel 2 6 are 12. That means 6 circles are there. 6 circles are shaded. That's mean shade. Okay, 2 by 3 part of triangles in a box. In a triangle in a box, how many triangles are there? 9 triangles are there. 2 by 5 part, that's mean 2 by 3 multiplies 9. That's mean we can cancel 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. 6 triangles are shaded. 3 by 5 part of rectangle in a box. That means half means multiplication. 3 by 5 multiplies how many rectangles are there? 15. That's why we can cancel 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 9 triangles are shaded. Next one. Next problem.
Continue.
Next one. Okay. 3 by 4 of circle in a box. So fourth one, 3 by 4 part అంటే ఈ బాక్స్ లో ఉన్న టోటల్ సర్కిల్స్ ఎన్నమ్మా మొత్తం how many circles are there? 5 3s are 15. Therefore half represent multiplication. That's why 3 by 4 multiplied problem. Sorry. Okay, 20 circles are there. Okay, we can cancel 4 5s are 20, 5 3s are 15. 15 circles are you can shade it. The next problem, 1 by 3 of 12. That means 1 by 3 multiplied with 12. Okay, we can cancel 3 4s are 12. That is equal 4 is the answer. Next one, 2 by 3 of 15. That means 2 by 3 multiplied with 15. That is equal, we can cancel 3 5s are 15. 5 2s are 10. Okay. Okay, let us discuss multiplication of fraction with a fraction. Fractions ni, two fraction ni how to multiply. Then చూద్దాం figures తో చూద్దాం pictures wise ఎలా వస్తుందో. 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. That means 1 by 2 multiplied with 1 by 4. Okay, that means, for example, take a one circle, divided into 4 equal parts. 1 by 4th part is shaded. We can also divide it into 1 by 4 part is 1 by 2. This part is 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. That means one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This part indicates 1 by 8. That means 1 by 2 of 1 by 4 means you take a circle. This is divided into 4 equal parts. One part represented as a fraction 1 by 4. 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. That means 1 by 4 part divided into 2 parts. This part indicate as a fraction 1 by 8. Okay, next one. 1 by 3rd of 1 by 2. That means take a one square or rectangle. Divided into 2 equal parts. 1 by half is shaded. This. Okay. One rectangle is taken. This is divided into 2 equal parts, and this is also divided into 3 parts. 1/3 part. Therefore, half no 1/3 part. That means this part. This part indicated 1 by 6. Okay. Whole rectangle divided into 2 equal parts. 1 by 3rd of 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2 half part divided into 3 parts. One part indicates 1/6 part. This is 1/3 of 1 by 2. Next one. 2 by 3 of 2 by 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. 2 is shaded. This is 2 by 5. Next one, 2 by 5 low, 2 by 3 part. That means దీన్ని మళ్ళీ 3 పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేయాలి. Two by 3. That means okay, this shaded part is 4 by 15. Okay, let us see 1 by 4 of 1 by 2. That means one circle divided into 4 equal parts. One part is indicated as 1/4. 1/4 part divided into 1/2 part. That means this part indicate 1 by 8. Next one. One rectangle is divided into 2 equal parts. This is also divided into 3 parts. 1/3 part is indicated 1 by 6. Next one. 2 by 3 of 2 by 5. That means one rectangle divided into the 5 equal parts. 2 is shaded. Next shaded part ఈ 2 by 5 లోంచి మళ్ళీ 2/3 మనం షేడ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేది 4 by 15. Therefore we can conclude that above examples the multiplication of fraction ఏం చేయాలమ్మా ఇప్పుడు మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలంటే the product of numerators by the product of denominators. Okay, we can conclude that multiplication of fraction is equal to product of numerator by product of denominator. Okay, for example 5 by 3 multiplies 7 by 5, that is equal 5 into 7 by 3 into 5. 3 multiplies 5. The product of numerators by the product of denominators. 5 with 5 is cancelled. 7 by we get 7 by 3 is the answer. Let us do exercise 3. Find each of the following products. కింద ఉన్న ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ యొక్క ప్రోడక్ట్ వాల్యూ చెప్పాలమ్మా ఎంత వచ్చిందని. These fractions are unlike fractions. In fractions, the product of fractions is equal to the product of numerators by the product of denominators. That's why 5 multiplied with the 7 and 6 multiplied 11, that is equal 5 by 6 multiplied 7 by 11, that is equal product of numerators by product of denominators. Therefore 5 sevens are 35 by 66. Okay, next one, multiplication of whole number by the fraction. Appudu the product of whole number multiplied with the numerator and the denominator is keep in the same. Okay, 6 multiplied 1 by 5, that is equal 6 ones are 6 by 5. 6 by 5. This is converted into 5 ones are 5, remainder is 1, that is equal 5 and 1 by 5. Next problem. You can note it. Okay. 2 and third problem. 2 and 1 by 3 multiplied 3 and 1 by 5. Okay. These two fractions are mixed fractions. ఇలా మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అయినప్పుడు యూ కెన్ కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటూ ద ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అయినప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేసుకోవాలి, ద మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ద ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ న్యూమరేటర్స్ బై ద ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్స్. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 3, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 16 by 5. The product of numerator. Okay. 7 16s are 112 and 3 5s are 35. Okay, next one. Next problem, multiply and residue the lowest form of the fraction. Okay, multiplied and exercise 3, second problem, multiplied and reduced to lowest form. కింద మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేసి లోయెస్ట్ ఫామ్ లో మనం రాయవలసి ఉంటుంది. Therefore, చూడండి అమ్మ, ఫస్ట్ వన్ 2 by 3 multiplied with 5 and 5 by 3. 5 and 5 by 3, 5 by 5, 5 and 1 by 5 is a multiple fraction, mixed fraction. That's why this is converted into mixed fraction. 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26 by 5. You can also know the product of multiplication. The product of fractions is equal to the product of numerators by the product of denominators. Therefore, 2 into 26 by 3 5s that is equal 6 2s are 12, 1 2 2s are 4 5, 52 by 3 5s are 35. Therefore, three fives are 15. Sorry. Okay. Multiplication of fractions is equal to the product of numerators by the product of denominators. 2 multiplied with the 26, 3 multiplied with 55. That is equal to 26 are 52, 3 5s are 15. Therefore, 15 3s are 45. Padalo 5 7 7. That is equal to 3 and 7 by 15. And we get the fraction lowest form is equal 3 and 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 7 52. 52 by 15. Okay. Next one. 2 by 7 multiplied with the 1 by 3. The multiplication of two fractions is equal to product of numerators by the product of denominators. Therefore, 2 by 7 multiplies 1 by 3 is equal to 2 1s are 7 multiplied with 3. 2 ones are 2, 7 3s are 21. This is the lowest form. Third problem. 9 by 3 multiplied with 5 by 5. 5 by 5 means we can cancel 1. 9 by 3 multiplied with 1. That is equal 9 by 3. Okay. 3 3s are 9. We can cancel. 3 3s are 9. Therefore, answer B will get answer 3. Okay. Next one. Next problem. Okay. For exercise 3, third problem. Which one is greater? In these fractions, which one is greater? Here the fraction. Okay, చూద్దాం. 2 by 5 of 4 by 7. Of means multiplication, not product. Therefore, 2 by 5 4 by 7. Okay. Next, 3 by 4 of 3 by 4 multiplied 1 by 2. That is equal. Multiplication of fractions is equal to the product of numerators by the product of denominators. 2 4s are 5 7s are. Therefore, 3 1s are and 4 2s are. That is equal to 4 2s are 8, 7 5s are 35. 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8. These two fractions are improper fractions. These two fractions are unlike fractions. Why? Because these denominators are different. That's why these two fractions are unlike fractions. That's why వీటి యొక్క denominators ని ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. Eight by 35 multiplied with 8 by 8. Next, 3 by 8 multiplied with 35 by 35. 8 8s are 64. 35 8s are 8 5s are 40. 24 28. Therefore, 35 5s 5 3s are 15. 1 2 3s are 9 10. 105 by 28. Which one is greater? 105. These two fractions are like fractions. 105 by 280 is greater. That's why in these two fractions 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 is greater one. Okay. Which one is greater? 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 and 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. In this fraction, of means multiplication. 2 by 5 multiplied with the 4 by 7. 3 by 4 multiplied with 1 by 2. That means the multiplication of fractions is equal to the product of numerators by the product of denominators. 2 into 4 by 5 into 7. Therefore, 3 multiplied with 1 by 4 multiplied with 2. Therefore, 2 4s are 8. 8 by 7 5s are 35 by equal. Next, 3 1s are 3 by 4 2s are 8. These two fractions are unlike fractions. That's why you converted into like fraction. How to these denominators are ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. వీటి యొక్క ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ యొక్క డినామినేటర్ని ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. ఎలా చేయాలి? దీని యొక్క డినామినేటర్ని మల్టిప్లైడ్ విత్ దిస్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అండ్ దీని డినామినేటర్ని ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేసేటప్పుడు ఈక్వల్ డినామినేటర్స్ అనేవి రావడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇన్ దిస్ టూ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ this one is greater. This fraction is indicates 3/4 multiplied with 1/2. 3/4 of 1/2 is greater one. Next problem. 1/2 of 4/7. 2/3 of 3/7. Okay, in this problem, of indicates multiplication. That means 1/4 multiplied with 4/7. Next, 2/3 multiplied with 3/7. Therefore, 4 and 4 we can cancel. That's why, therefore 1/7 or 2/7. Okay, sorry. 1/2. Okay, 2 minutes. This is 1/2. 2 we can cancel. 2 2s are 4. Therefore 2/7 is, we get 2/7. Therefore 2/7 is coming fraction. This is also 2/7. That's why these two fractions are equal. Okay. 1/2 of 4/7 or 2/3 of 3/7. 1/2 of means 1/2 multiplied with the 4/7. Next 2/3 of 3/7. That means 2/3 multiplied with 3/7. 2 2s are 4. You can cancel 2 2s are 4. That's next one. 2/7 is, you get the fraction 2/7. 2/3 multiplied with 3/7. 3 is cancelled. Therefore, you get the fractions are 2/7. These two are equal. Okay, next problem. Okay, exercise 3, sixth problem. You can see, Raja walks 1.5 meters in a second. How much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? Raja 1.5 meters in 1 second he walk. Next, how much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? వేతను ఏమిచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ? 1 సెకండ్కి 1.5 మీటర్ అతను వెళ్తున్నాడు. అయితే హౌ మచ్ డిస్టెన్స్ విల్ హీ వాక్ ఇన్ 15 మినిట్స్? 15 మినిట్స్కి ఎంత దూరం అతను వెళ్ళగలడు? ఓకే, ఏం చేయొచ్చు? 1 మినిట్కి 1 సెకండ్కి ఇంత డిస్టెన్స్ వెళ్తే 60 సెకండ్స్కి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ వెళ్తాడు? దట్స్ మీన్స్ 1 మీటర్కి 1 మినిట్కి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ వెళ్తున్నాడు అని తెలిస్తే 15 మినిట్స్కి హౌ మచ్ డిస్టెన్స్ హీ కవర్డ్ అనేది మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. లెట్ us రైట్. Distance covered by Raja in 1 second. One minute is equal to, that means 1 and 1/2 into 60. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That's why 15 minutes is equal to 15 multiplied 1 and 1 by 2 into 60. That is equal to 1 and 1 by 2. That is equal to 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 multiplied 60. 2 30s are 3 3s are 9. 15 into 900. 15 9s are 135. 135 meters is covered. Okay, let us see. Distance covered by Raja in 1 second, 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter, 1 second lo 1.5 meter enta. Distance covered by Raja in 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. In 60 seconds, 1.5 into multiplied with 60. Therefore, distance covered by Raja in 15 minutes. 15 into multiplies 1.5 into 60. That means 1.5 means mixed fraction. This is converted into improper. 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 1 3 by 2. That is equal 15 multiplied with 3 by 2 and 60. Therefore, we can cancel 2 30s are 60. Therefore, 3 3s are 9. 15 90s are 1350. 1350 meters answer is. Okay, we will meet another session. Thank you, children. Bye bye, children. Thank you.